Hi, I'm Scott Flowers with Cloud Ninjas. Today we're here to continue our series on the Dell PowerEdge R6515. In this video, we're going to specifically focus on mass updates. Let's get going. Well, hey, thanks for stopping by today. So a little bit more about the Dell PowerEdge R6515. Do us a favor, find anything that helps you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. All right, let's hop in now. This video is specifically dedicated to mass updates. It's one of my favorite videos in the series. What we're going to show you is how to keep your server up to date, which to me is incredibly important. You want to keep your server up to the latest BIOS, the latest firmware, the latest onboard diagnostics, et cetera, because there's always new patches that are coming out and new issues that are out there that you might not be aware of. So just keeping it up to date will prevent you from running into issues that you don't even want to have to know about, right? So let's go ahead and hop in and tell you what we're gonna do in this video. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna connect our server to the network. We are going to access Dell's update share folder. We're gonna select our server and select the desired updates that we want, and then we're gonna run the updates. It's really that simple, and it could take hours depending on how old your 6515 is. Luckily, right now in time, the 6515, it's a 15th gen server. It's really not that old, so the update shouldn't take that long, but sometimes when we are doing older servers, we'll run 100, 200 servers overnight because it'll take so long to update them. We'll come back in, and some of them aren't even up to date, so it can take a few hours to do, so just know that going into it. So let's just hop into the good stuff. All right, so let's show you how to do mass updates for your 15th gen server, and we're going to show you step-by-step instructions for everything you need to know. So first things first, we are going to boot up our 15th gen server. Upon boot, we're going to hit F10 to get into the lifecycle controller. Navigate to firmware update on the left side of the screen and select launch firmware update. Select network share CIFS or NFS or HTTP or HTTPS server from the options listed and click next. If you've not previously configured the network settings, it will prompt you to configure the network settings. At this moment, we will select yes. You need to select the network port that your Cat5 cable is plugged into. What we're currently using is integrated NIC 1. Change the IP address source to DHCP and click next in the bottom right corner of your screen. This will apply the changes and automatically set an IP address which will give the server internet access. Select HTTPS, and in the share name address option, you're going to want to type out downloads.dell.com, and then you're going to hit next. This will begin looking for all the available updates for your 15th gen server. Select yes to continue if prompted with a dialog box. This will take a few minutes to search for all the updates, so we'll fast forward. The final step, you're going to select the updates that you want to run, and you don't have to pick everything, even though we do recommend selecting everything. And then once you've picked what you want, just press apply in the bottom right corner of your screen. Do note that the updates will take anywhere from a few minutes to hours and hours depending on how many updates are available and how many you've chosen and how old your server is as a whole. So just know that it can be hours. Luckily, the 15th gen is pretty new overall, so I wouldn't expect a ton of time. When we're updating some of the older 12th gen, 13th gen servers, we literally leave them running overnight because it takes so long and we don't want to clog up our lab. So do note that there will be some downtime. So if this is a server in a live environment, do know it's probably better to run the updates overnight. The server is going to begin downloading, installing all the updates, and then it will reboot after it's finished. Congratulations, you've successfully updated your 15th gen Dell server. Do us a favor, if you found anything that helped you in this video, click that like and smash that subscribe. And if you're looking for any custom built Dell, HPE, Supermicro, IBM, Cisco, we'd love the opportunity to earn your data center or your home labs business. Please email us at sales@cloudninjas.com. That's sales@cloudninjas.com. Thanks for stopping by, guys. Take care. Bye.